Welcome to this tutorial on how to loan Lazada using Cash App. This guide is designed to walk you through the process step by step, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of the topic. First, it is essential to understand that Lazada is an e-commerce platform that allows users to purchase products online, while Cash App is a financial service that enables users to send, receive, and invest money. To loan Lazada using Cash App, you need to have a Cash App account and a Lazada account. Start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device and navigating to the Banking tab. From there, select the option to add money to your Cash App account. Once you have added money to your Cash App account, open the Lazada app and select the product you wish to purchase. Proceed to checkout, where you will be prompted to choose a payment method. Select Cash App as your payment method and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. It is crucial to note that Cash App does not directly loan money to users for Lazada purchases. However, you can use the Cash App to add money to your Lazada wallet, which can then be used to make purchases on the platform. To do this, navigate to the Lazada wallet section and select the option to top up your wallet. Choose Cash App as your top-up method and follow the instructions to complete the transaction. In addition to using Cash App to add money to your Lazada wallet, you can also use Cash App to pay for Lazada purchases directly. To do this, select Cash App as your payment method at checkout and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. Best practices when using Cash App to loan Lazada include ensuring you have sufficient funds in your Cash App account, monitoring your transactions, and keeping your accounts secure. In conclusion, using Cash App to loan Lazada is a straightforward process that requires you to have a Cash App account and a Lazada account. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can easily use Cash App to add money to your Lazada wallet or pay for Lazada purchases directly. Remember to always follow best practices to ensure a secure and seamless transaction experience.